Recently, the PDF MLA of Mylliem Constituency, Hamletson Dohling, along with former PDF leaders and supporters, had joined the National People's Party, where they were welcomed by National President of the NPP, Conrad K Sangma, at a meeting that was held in Madan Umlyngka, Shillong. Also present were the National Vice President of the party, Sniawbhalang Dhar, State President W.R. Kharlukhi, candidate of East Shillong Constituency Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, besides party workers, supporters and members of frontal organizations of the NPP that include the NPYF.
Performance report yung Hamletson Dohling. Ay sakti ko jam ko kay. Ay sakti baro to. Kapag niya baro ang priyang iba Hamlet sa NP family, pagdigas ng sibara. Requesting our Chief Minister, National President Tukali Science members, welcoming them to the NPP family. Happy come this year, Peter.
The candidature for Mylliem Constituency as our candidate will be Shri Hamletson Dohling. At this moment, it gives me immense pleasure, it gives me great happiness to formally and officially welcome my dear friend and my colleague and your leader, Hamletson Dohling, his entire family, and all his leaders and supporters into the family of the National People's Party. We had a coalition government of 6 political parties. And as you all know, Meghalaya's history with coalition politics is never easy, because all political parties and leaders will have their own interests, their own stand, their own areas of concern, their own way of handling situations. And hence, for a government to be able to carry everybody along sometimes is not the easiest thing. We faced numerous challenges when we had law and order problems, different incidents happening, different situations being faced, and different problems coming up. We had a large number of challenges in terms of COVID, where the government could not function in the normal way a normal government functions for almost 2 years, and major development works and other works of the government had to be halted. And a large number of other challenges like these came in front of us. But still we kept moving forward. Our government survived. Our government moved forward and delivered on large number of promises that we had made to the people of our state. Difficult situations and difficult problems were resolved by this government in spite of all the challenges. And one of the biggest reasons for that is because this government always maintained that we will keep the interests of the people and the state as our top priority.